It's now going to cost you $10 per month to access Neil Patel's Ubersuggest deeper insights into any words or URLs or type of searches that you're doing on Ubersuggest. Hi, my name is David from freelancerinsights.com, where we believe you should never stop learning. Ubersuggest is a good, or has been a good, free keyword tool. And according to Neil Patel, he meant for this to always be a free application. It is unfortunate that even after all the videos he's been doing on YouTube, saying that it's always going to be free, he's decided to charge us for it. There is no harm done there. It's a good application and will pay since it gives us the details or the insights that we need when doing keyword research and content ideas and all that. So basically, when you do a search, for example, I've done a search for Ubersuggest, and you get the volume. This is a guesstimate. Everything here is a guesstimate, but it almost clearly represents what you're looking for when you're searching. You'll get this. You can see past, let's say, give or take like 3 months. You'll need to upgrade to see more insights into this. So basically, when you click on upgrade, you go to the new page. So that you need to upgrade to see the historical data, and you'll need to use your credit card, and you have a 7-day free trial for Ubersuggest. And the reason why you're upgrading, if you want to see all this data going forward, but I feel that it's an unfortunate move, especially if you've been benefiting from the free tool. But also $10 per month is not bad. But I was hoping that also have a paid version for like a payment option like PayPal to do that. But I think they prefer using a credit card because it's automatically charged on most occasions. But it's unfortunate that we've had to come to this. Ubersuggest has been the best free keyword tool out there, but it's also maybe business oriented, and we do accept and respect Neil's decision. So let's hope to see that it's going to go further and give us better insights for this. The only options we have remaining maybe is to use Google's Autosuggest, YouTube's Autosuggest, or even Bing or Yahoo, Yandex, or any other search engine that you're working with, to see what they auto-suggest for you, see the related questions, related searches, and all those types of things, especially when you're doing your keyword research. But when you want to do things like maybe researching other people's URLs, then you'll probably have to use a paid option, for example, Ahrefs, SEMrush, KW Finder, Moz, all those things. But I don't know when this is going to be applicable, when Neil is going to send an email, but you'll have to pay to use the full functionality of Ubersuggest. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends so that they be in the know-how that Ubersuggest is now a paid tool. Thank you for watching.